In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to posts in WordPress, which is a fantastic way to keep your content organized and easy to find for your audience. Tags help categorize your posts into specific topics, making them more accessible and improving your site's overall user experience. So, let's dive into the process. First things first, you want to navigate directly to your WordPress dashboard. That's your command center, the place where you can control nearly every aspect of your website. From here, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find a series of options listed. What we want to focus on today is the Posts section. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select All Posts. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the posts that you have on your site, neatly arranged for you. Now find the specific post that you want to work with. Go ahead and click on the title of that post, which will open the editor for that particular piece. Once inside the editor, your attention needs to turn to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a section there marked with the Post tab. This area contains numerous settings related to your posts, but what we're interested in today is the Tags section. Scroll down a bit if necessary until you locate this section. It's an important area for content management and SEO. In the Tags section, you'll find a box. This is where you can start adding your tags. Click inside this box and begin typing a relevant tag for your post. Tags can be anything from travel to recipe, or even a specific term like WordPress, whatever is pertinent and useful for categorizing your content. Once you've typed out your desired tag, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will solidly set that particular tag for your post. You can continue to add as many relevant tags as you need, pressing Enter after each one to lock them in. These tags don't only help with categorization, but can also have a positive impact on your site's SEO, as they allow search engines to better understand the content on your site. So, just to recap, you've accessed your WordPress dashboard, navigated to your posts, clicked on the one you want to edit, and found the Tags section in the right-hand side of the editor. You've typed in your tags and pressed Enter to add them. These few simple steps will significantly enhance the navigability and functionality of your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your WordPress content management.